Salutations, Junior Pearls! Get ready for an adventurous journey where farm animals, wild animals, and pet animals come together in the sandbox for an exciting learning experience. Perfect for young animal enthusiasts, this interactive activity blends education and play to create a fun-filled environment. Incorporate humor and joy into the learning process with funny animal sounds, silly stories, and playful interactions. Plunk into the fun. Understanding the story of sheep. A lamb is a young sheep that is less than 1 year old. Once a sheep reaches 1 year of age, it is referred to as a sheep. Sheep are found all over the world and are raised for various purposes in different climates and environments. Sheep have a good memory. ICG Ants, a closer look at the polar bears. Polar bears are primarily found in the Arctic Circle, including the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas, and surrounding land masses such as Greenland, Canada, Russia, Norway, and the United States, Alaska. And next in line, the mighty hippopotamus. Despite their large size, hippos are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 30 km per hour on land. Hippos are social animals and live in groups known as pods or bloods, consisting of up to 30 individuals. These groups are usually led by a dominant male. Unveiling the big fascinating camel. Humans have domesticated camels for various purposes, including transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk and meat. They have played a critical role in the cultures and economies of many desert-dwelling communities, and camels are herbivores. Our next animal feature, the horse. Horses are strict herbivores, meaning they only eat plant-based diets. Their digestive system is adapted to process fibrous plant material efficiently. They can sense and respond to the emotions of humans and other horses, making them valuable companions and therapy animals. Exploring the enchanting world of zebras. Zebras are social animals that typically live in family groups called harems. Zebras are herbivores and mainly graze on grass. They have adapted to feed on a variety of grass species. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats. Nature's living teddy bear, koala. Koalas are generally quiet animals, but they can make distinct vocalizations such as grunts, snores, and bellows. Males have a deep voice that they use to attract females and establish dominance. Koalas are native to Australia and are found in the southern regions. A closer look at nature's tank, rhinoceros. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species, with males weighing up to 2,300 kilograms. Rhinoceros skin can be quite thick, but it is sensitive to sunburn and insect bites. Navigating the unique lives of panda. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have a diet that is primarily herbivorous. Pandas are generally solitary animals, with adult males and females coming together primarily during the breeding season. Pandas communicate through vocalizations. Up close with the enigmatic raccoon. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals, known for their distinctive black mask markings around their eyes. Raccoons are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, including forest, urban areas, and wetlands. The enchanting world of cheetahs. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grassland and savannas as their speed is better suited for chasing down prey in these areas. They are found in parts of Africa and a few isolated populations in Iran. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs are usually solitary animals. Tales from the herd of the moose. While moose are large and powerful, they do have natural predators, including wolves and bears. However, adult moose are formidable and can defend themselves effectively. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 or more. Uncovering the secrets of fox. Foxes are playful animals and engage in activities that resemble games. This behavior is not only entertaining but also helps them develop essential skills such as hunting and coordination. And foxes are known for their vocalizations. Diving into the world of hyena. Spotted hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. Spotted hyenas are the most well-known and widely distributed species. The leopard gecko adventure begins. Leopard geckos are generally silent and they communicate through body languages and pheromones rather than vocalizations. In the wild, leopard geckos primarily feed on insects and other invertebrates. In captivity, their diet is unusually composed of crickets. Through the eyes of the wolf. Wolves are closely related to domestic dogs, sharing a common ancestor. They exhibit many similar behaviors and characteristics, although domestication has led to significant differences in appearance and behavior between the two species. Legends of the lizard iguana. Male iguanas are known for their territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. They may engage in elaborate displays and aggressive encounters to establish dominance and access to mates. With proper care, iguanas can live relatively long lives. Portrait of Ursine Life, the bear. Bears are known for hibernating during the winter months. During this period, this heart rate and metabolic rate decrease, and they live off stored fat. Many bear species are listed as threatened or endangered due to habitat loss. Understanding the role of snakes. Snakes are a reptile that have been around for approximately 100 million years and evolved from prehistoric lizards. Snakes are found on every continent in the world except Antarctica. There are around 3,000 different species of snakes in the world. In Australia, we have around 140 species of land snakes. Join the expedition of majestic cow. Domestic cows, also known as taurine cows, are descendants of wild oxen known as aurochs, and they were first domesticated in Southeast Turkey around 10,500 years ago. Cows engage in all forms of play found in mammals, including playing with things such as balls, gamboling, and running. A closer look at the tiger kingdom. Tigers are primarily nocturnal, which means they are more active during the night. Their excellent night vision and keen sense of smell aid them in hunting in low light conditions. Unlike many other big cats, tigers are good swimmers and are known to enjoy being in the water. They can swim long distances and may even hunt in the water, and they are territorial animals. Thank you for your time and engagement to watching farm animals, wild animals and pet animals adventure in Sandbox. Subscribe now for an unforgettable adventure where kids can explore the amazing world of farm animals, wild animals and pet animals in the Sandbox. Let's play, learn and discover together in this exciting and educational journey. Don't miss out on future muddy adventures. Bye bye, young adventurer!